Lesson 2. Each line of music staff has vertical lines called bar lines. These bar lines divide the staff into measures or bars. Each measure groups the music notes into an equal number of beats. The end of a section of music is shown by using a double bar line. Here is an example of a line of 4-beat grouping. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notes written on the music staff tell us which note letter to play on our instrument and how long to hold or sound that note. Notes can be held for 1, 2, 3, or 4 beats. This note is called a semibreve. It is also known as a whole note. A semibreve has a 4-beat value. This means that when a semibreve is played, it must sound for 4 beats or counts. This is a G semibreve note being held for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. This note is called a minim. It is also called a half note. It has a 2-beat value. This means that when it is played, it must sound for 2 beats. These are D minims being held for 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. This note is called a crotchet. It is also called a quarter note. It has a 1-beat time value. This means that when it is played, it must sound for 1 beat. These are A crotchet notes being held for 1 beat each. One, 2, 3, 4. A dot added to a note increases the note's time value by half. Therefore, a dotted minim is equal to 2 plus 1, which is 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. You will notice that notes have a head and a stem. If the head of a note is below the middle line of the staff, the stem should point up and is written on the right side of the head. If the head is on or above the middle line, then the stem should point down and is written on the left side of the head. Please remember that you can download the practice sheet after this lesson.